Nakakatulong ba talaga ang pagpapautang? Hi, this is me, Coach Rose Ann, and welcome to Peso Sense for Everyone. So, quick question, nakakatulong ba talaga tayo pag nagpapautang? So, real talk, minsan oo, pag emergency, hospital, biglang pangangailangan, nakakatulong yung pagpapautang. Pero ito ang mas hindi natin napapansin kapag walang clear na usapan, walang payment plan, at paulit-ulit yung tulong, nagiging stress yung nagpapautang, nauubos, yung umuutang nasasanay, at ending, pareho kayong nasisira, yung isa financially, yung isa naman emotionally. Ang totoong tulong, hindi lang magpahiram, kundi siguraduhing responsable at may balikan. Sometimes, the best help is not lending money but guiding them to a better financial habit. And that's me bringing Peso Sense to everyone.